gonna be playing this game. Okay, so you can pick animals in here. In this game, you can turn into any animal. First, let's do the smallest to giant. So the smallest one is here. It's just, so you just need to get this. I hope nobody eats me again. Okay, guys, let's swim. Okay, that was not here earlier. This will rest. That's. But we're not even sleeping. Attack! I'm going to turn into the next animal. Axolotl. I'm just gonna attack. Attack that. Attack that crocodile. Crocodile, are you here to attack me? Or am I here to attack you? Ooh. Okay, now let's turn into a different animal. Next is this. I'm just gonna attack that. Attack that. Okay, I'm this frog right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, what are those hearts? But I cannot choose you. Okay, let's play hide and seek. I don't know. Okay, so I cannot. Oh, okay. That's how we attack. Okay. Next one, we're gonna go for different. It's this turtle. We are getting stronger. We're getting bigger. We're getting stronger. We're getting big. And at the last sea monster, you know what I can do. There's turtle shell. Sit. Okay. Okay, that's how. Not. Imagine we got there. Get up there, Venus Noodle. Get up, 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 up. Run up, run. Run, 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 run. It's morning. We are using this thing. Long time. Let's go for another one. Okay. Hajur. Go now swimming pool, or should I China तर भिडियो बनाएको okay. Oh, I'm just that looks kind of fun. You can get that old rock. Let's see if we can. So I don't know. And then get crocodile. The biggest is just shot. Me. So the best looking one is gonna be in my topic. No, not topic. The statement. We're not finished with the video. No, that's not gonna be see animals' life. Okay, so crab so to say bye-bye to you. So the next animal is going to be to this guy. Spray that guy. Okay, this is how they. Oh crap. We can do that to the. We can do the full dolphin, but do we have a dolphin? No, we can do that to a stingray. It It's so good to have the octopus. So guys, we have to say bye-bye to the octopus. Just switching what I'm gonna pick next. Hey, stop attacking me or I will come back to you. This. We're going. Why do people keep attacking me? We have to end the video, guys, because it's time.